Team Fortress Classic.
Genres: video game, shooter game, action game, strategy video game, first-person shooter. Counter-Strike Online. Genres: video game, first-person shooter. Half-Life 2 Deathmatch. Genres: video game, first-person shooter. Counter-Strike. Genres: video game, shooter game, action game, tactical shooter, first-person shooter.
Dota 2.
Genres: video game, multiplayer online battle arena, action game. Real-time strategy. More Dota 2, the best Dota 2 YouTubers, the best Dota 2 streamers on Twitch. 93 of 124 the most popular video games right now.
Half-Life 2 Episode 1.
Genres: video game, first-person shooter. More Half-Life 2, Episode 182 of 166. The best science fiction games of all time. 40 of 167. The best first-person shooter games of all time.
Left 4 Dead.
Genres: video game, survival horror, first-person shooter.
Half-Life 2 Episode 2.
Genres: video game, shooter game, action game, first-person shooter, science fiction.
Left 4 Dead 2.
Genres: video game, first-person shooter, survival horror.
Half-Life.
Genres: video game, shooter game, action-adventure game, action game, first-person shooter, science fiction. More Half-Life. 790 of 2039 Sony PlayStation 2 games. List of PS2 console games. 102 of 1371 the 100 plus best video games of all time. Ranked by fans. 33 of 178 the best video game franchises of all time.
The Orange Box.
Genres: video game, shooter game, action-adventure game, compilation, puzzle game, first-person shooter. More The Orange Box. 489 of 617 Sony PlayStation 3 games. List of PS3 console games. 103 of 535 the best Xbox 360 games of all time. Ranked 21 of 162 the best Xbox 360 shooter games.
Half-Life 2.
Genres: video game, first-person shooter. More Half-Life 2. 76 of 271 the most compelling video game storylines ever. 107 of 109 the scariest video games of all time. 3 of 119 the best video game sequels.
Team Fortress 2.
Genres: video game, shooter game, action game, first-person shooter. More Team Fortress 2. 397 of 466 the most addictive video games of all time. 19 of 114 the best games to play online.
Portal.
Genres: video game, platform game, action game, first-person shooter. More Portal. 16 games you need to play if you love puzzle platformers like Portal. 5 of 382 list of games with girls in the lead and female protagonists.
Portal 2.
Genres: video game, action adventure game, puzzle game, platform game.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.